Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are hungry. Are you hungry? Let's eat yummy. Algerian food. Look, what is this? Do you know? Yes, it is couscous. Let's say it together. Couscous. It is yummy. Yummy couscous. I like couscous. Do you like couscous? Next one. Let's open the pot. 1, 2, 3. It is tajine. Look, it has chicken and olives. Be careful, it is hot. Ooh, so hot. I eat tajine. Yummy, yummy tajine. This is soup, red soup. And this is bread, round bread. Let's dip the bread in the soup. I eat bread with soup. Delicious. Time for dessert. This is a cookie. It is Makroud. It is sweet, sweet like sugar. And let's drink tea, mint tea. Pour the tea, splash. Let's play a game. Which one is sweet? The Makroud or the lemon? Yes, the Makroud is sweet. Good job. Today we ate couscous, tajine and cookies. What do you like? Tell me in the comments. Goodbye. See you next time. Salam.